Hello everyone, in this lesson I will discuss to you on how to compute quartiles for group data. So we have the formula for the quartiles. Q sub k is equal to L plus k times n over 4 minus Cf all over F times Cw, where L is the lower boundary, N is the total number of observations, Cw is the class width, Cf is for the cumulative frequency of the preceding class, F is equal to frequency of the class, and K for the nth quartile. So ito yung formula na gagamitin natin kapag kuha tayo ng quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. So for example, calculate quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3 of the mathematics scores of 50 students. So given na yung scores natin, naka-interval na siya, and also given na yung frequency. So from scores 21 to 25, meron tayong frequency na 6. 26 to 30, yung frequency natin is 12. 31 to 35, the frequency is 9. 36 to 40, the frequency is 11. 41 to 45, the frequency is 8. 46 to 50, the frequency is 4. So if we're going to sum up all the frequencies, the total is 50. So paano nga ba natin kukunin itong lower boundary? So sa lower boundary, dyan tayo mag-base sa lower class limit. So mag-subtract tayo sa lower class limit na 0.5. So 21 minus 0.5 is equal to 20.5. Then 26 minus 0.5 is 25.5. 31 minus 0.5 is 30.5. 36 minus 0.5 is 35.5. 41 minus 0.5 is 40.5. 46 minus 0.5 is 45.5. Next is the cumulative frequency. So cumulative frequency, since dito yung lowest score na 21, ikakopy natin yung frequency niya. So i-copy natin yung frequency. Then after makopy natin yung first na frequency, dyan sa pinaka maliit na score, i-add natin yung frequency sa next frequency. So we have 6 plus 12 is equal to 18. Then i-add again natin si 18 at saka si 9. 18 plus 9 is equal to 27. 27 plus 11 is 38. 38 plus 8 is 46. And 46 plus 4 is 50. So since yung frequency natin is total 50, so dapat nag-total din siya dito sa cumulative frequency na 50. So take note that itong 6 na to is the scores is for the cumulative is the 0 to 6. Yung sa 18 is from 7 to 18. Sa 27 is from 19 to 27. Sa 38 is from 28 to 38. Then sa 46 is from 39 to 46, and sa 50 is from 47 to 50. So bakit kailangan natin ito mga ganito? Para dito natin agad malalaman kung saan ang location ng mga quartiles natin. So gamit nitong mga formula, so isosolve natin ang quartile 1, quartile 2, and quartile 3. So, paano nga ba natin isolve si quartile 1? So, first step is i-locate natin si Kn over 4. Yan. Yan yung first step. Then, so we have K since quartile 1 is 1. Yung K natin is 1. So, 1 times 50 is equal to 50 divided by 4. So, bakit 4? Because quartile. So, 50 divided by 4 is 12.5. So, itong si 12.5, i-locate natin dito. So, saan ba siya belong? So, dito sa 7 to 18. Then, meron na tayong i-locate natin. Identify natin dyan si lower boundary, si class frequency, and si cumulative frequency of the preceding class. So, meron tayong lower boundary na 25.5. Then, the class frequency of the preceding class is 6, and the frequency is 12. Then we have also the class width is 5. So bakit nagiging 5? So from 21 to 26, nag-add tayo ng 5. 21 plus 5 is 26 plus 5, 31. So 5 yung ano nila, class width. And also from 21 to 25, 5 din. Okay? Then itong mga nakuha na natin na information is i-substitute natin dito sa ating formula. So we have Q sub 1 is equal to, yung lower boundary natin is 25.5. So 25.5 plus itong si 12.5 is galing na dito sa gisolve natin kanina na Kn over 4. So 12.5 minus the class frequency of the preceding class is 6. We have 6. Ito yun siya. Divided by the frequency is 12 times 5. So we have 25.5 plus 12.5 minus 6 is 6.5. Copy, divide by 12 times 5. Next is, i-divide natin ito si 6.5 at saka si 12. So copy, 25.5 plus 6.5 divided by 12 is 0.54. Copy ang 5. Then, multiply natin si 0.54 times 5. So, we have 2.7. So, 25.5 plus 2.7, our quartile 1 is 28.2. So, kung titingnan natin dito sa location, andyan si 28.2 na belong. Next is for quartile 2. So, ganun pa rin. Yung K natin dyan is, since quartile 2 is giging 2. So, 2 times 50 is equal to 100 over 4. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So, saan natin ma-locate si 25? Dito, in between 19 to 27. Diyan. So, we have now the lower boundary na 30.5. The class frequency of the preceding class, cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 18. Then, we have the frequency is 9 and the class width is 5. So, itong mga nakuha na natin na information is i-substitute na natin sa ating formula. So, we have Q sub 2 is equal to 30.5, yung lower boundary natin na 30.5, plus 25, dito yun siya, yung Kn over 4, 25, minus the CF natin is 18 over F is 9 times 5. Then, 30.5 plus 25 minus 18 is equal to 7. 7 over 9 times 5. Then, 30.5 plus 7 divided by 9 is equal to 0.78 times 5. 0.78 times 5 is equal to 3.9. So, i-add natin 30.5 plus 3.9 is equal to 34.4. So, yung quartile 2 natin is belong dito between sa scores na 31 to 35. Next, for the quartile 3. So, yung K natin is magiging 3. So, we have 3 times 50 is equal to 150 divided by 4 is equal to 37.5. So, saan ba ang si 37.5? So, dito in between 28 to 38. Diyan. So, we have the lower boundary 35.5. The cumulative frequency of the preceding class is 27. And the frequency is 11. And our class width is 5. So, substitute the given into the formula. So, yung formula natin, so we have the lower boundary is 35.5 plus yung Kn over 4 natin is 37.5 minus the CF is 27 all over F is 11 and times CW na 5. Then 35.5 plus 37.5 minus 27 is equal to 10.5 over 11 times 5. So 10.5 divided by 11 is equal to 0.95 times 5. 0.95 times 5 is equal to 4.8. So yung quartile 3 natin, 35.5 plus 4.8 is equal to 40.3. So dito siya belong sa 36 to 40. Thank you, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe para updated kayo sa next video lesson natin.